Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bunny pocket. So you have to start off with a square paper and fold it in half. Like so. And then open it up and fold it in half this way. And then when you open it up, take this tip and fold it into the center. Now take a scissor and you're gonna cut a little, like half of it out of this square. So you basically just take this square and you estimate the center, and then you can just cut, and then just make another cut. Now you fold this in half like this, and then it shouldn't really be folding this part, but if it gets a little folded, that's okay. And then you just fold this, you turn it and you fold it in half. And now you can see that it's kind of like a pocket over here. So you can flip your paper and then just fold this to the inside, and then fold this to the inside too. And then just make sure that they're lining up. And then you're just gonna take this side and fold it in. And then you're just gonna fold this side and in. And fold this side in. And now you can flip it to the side and see that, like, you see some of the sides might be looking like one's a little wider and one's a little shorter. So you can adjust that yourself however you want it to be. So now you can see that it's kind of looking like a circle. So to make sure that these don't open up, we take this and just poke it inside, and then flip this and poke it inside. And then for this, there aren't two flaps, so what you do is like push on the crease line, and then so it'll kind of open up. So if you need, you can actually make it even stronger. And then open it up and push it in. So if you're having trouble with this step, what you can do is basically like open the corner up like this, and then fold it, crease on it well, then open it up like this, and just try to, like, you see, poke it in on this crease, and then it should poke in like that. And then we have one more side left, and this one you also have to poke it in. So make sure that it's creased really well, otherwise it won't work. Then you open it up and just poke it in like this. And then when you flip it to this side, you see that we have like a circle. Now what you can do is cut 2 ears and then take some glue and glue them on like this. So we'll just add a little bit of glue here, and then on the other side, and then I'll just add it in here. And I added it on both sides so that the glue make sure that they don't open and the bunny ears stay sealed inside. Glue this, and I'll glue here, and then just glue it on. Now that we've done one, it might be harder to like put the other one in, so just try to slide it in, and then you see our bunny is formed. So now you can take the marker and you can draw out a face. So I'll just add an eye like this. And I will make my eyes, add a little bunny mouth, like this, and if you want, you can add some blushes. And now, if you want to, you can add something cute over here just to make it look a little more cuter. So I'm just gonna draw a flower. And just a little stem and some leaves. And then I can just color my flower in to make it look a little more nice. And I want to make my flower like yellow, but you can make it any color you want. And then your bunny pocket is ready. If you want, you can also use it as a bookmark with the flower side showing up and the bookmark bunny not showing up, but you can also use it as a pocket. One little optional step is that you can take some glue and like add it to the inside to make sure that they stay sealed, because they might open up. You can add a little on each of the ends, and then the parts where there's like where we poked in, they might not need much because they're poked in. So, and then the top will not need any glue because the bunny ears already have glue and they are sealing it. Here are your bunny pockets. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!